G'day guys, Andrew from On Track. Well, these have just been thrown across my desk and the boys from Baja Designs Australia have said, have a look at these. This is the latest from Baja Design and this is their upgrade. They've been out for a couple of weeks now. This is the new Squadron. This is the old one and this is the new one. Obviously you can see a few design changes in there. Obviously they've gone from a nice soft rounded edge to a bit of a hexagon. You could say these do have more light output. They are roughly the same price with not a lot of difference in them. They also have an outside running light in them as well, which is colour changeable to suit whatever colour you want as far as your rig goes. So red, blues, greens, oranges, etc. These are in an amber, but you can also get them in a clear, a driving combo and also a spot. So keep an eye on these. These will start rolling out on all the new builds going forwards. And yeah, it's going to be another great product from the guys at Baja Designs.